here's my full Elgato capture card unboxing, specifically for the 4KS. I know for my dedicated subscribers, this is the 4th unboxing video I've done about a capture card, as the past 3, for whatever reason, have not worked with my setup. And I've tried all the troubleshooting, all the installations, everything, so I don't know. Hopefully, 4th time is a charm, which I will say for me, for some reason, fun side note, I feel like for me, it's usually not 3rd time, it's usually 4th time is a charm. So, to open this up, first off, nope, trying to get the oh, there we go, okay. Kind of hard to do with this elbow, or hinged elbow brace. So we're going to take this off, alright. And then, you got this, let's take this out. Yeah. Alright, you ready? Let's do this. Ba-na-na-na-na-na-na. Just like that. Kind of pose for a thumbnail, as I typically do. It's almost like a book. Alright. Yeah. I always screen capture for my thumbnail, so it looks like this. Looks pretty similar to most capture cards. 2 HDMIs on the back with the USB-C in the middle. So USB-C goes to your computer. And then when it comes to these HDMIs, of course, you plug and play when it comes to your Xbox, PlayStation, Nintendo Switch, whatever the case is. So first off, we get, of course, the main point of this video, the capture card. And then let's see what else we get, because some of the capture cards come with an HDMI cable, some don't. Answers the question right there. So we have a USB-C to USB-C. That's interesting, because most of the Elgato capture cards that I have used, or most of them actually, have a USB-C to a normal USB. So this one is USB-C to USB-C. I also have a USB-C to USB, just in case I want to do it that way on my computer, but interesting that it comes with this cable. I'm assuming high quality, so makes sense. And then lastly, of course, a high-speed HDMI cable. And that's it, which is pretty, honestly, kind of standard, kind of what I would expect for a capture card. We have the USB hookup, in this case USB-C hookup to be more specific, an HDMI cable, and then lastly, and more importantly, the capture card.